Hello, you trader nerds. What goes up must come down. The market is down 0.69%. I got a notification from the CME group that the market was down over 1%. So we have come back up. Wow. Check it out. VIX is at 15, AD negative 142. AD low was negative 209, and we have above average volume at 6,000 contracts traded every 2 minutes. Let's go to the Big Green Monster. Big Green Monster shows that we are fairly priced, and we anticipate, ladies and gentlemen, if we were to stay here much longer, filling in these cracks, that we might see a visit to the 49.28. Is it possible? Oh, be still my heart. Yes, it is. It all depends on NVIDIA earnings tomorrow. We shall see. I think the whole market is ready for NVIDIA to do something. So we shall see what that means. Okay, so let's see how our little account's doing today. Let's go to the Roth IRA account. You can do this in the Roth IRA. Oh, heck yeah. 55,224. 55,224. Praise the Lord. 224. Fire up the band, Rico. What's wrong with Rico and the band? They're a little rough here. So we are up 0.51%. Actually, it's less than that since we should go off of the 55,000, but we're fine. Let's see what our Greeks and ratios are today, and hope everybody's having a good day. Yeah, the market is really looking to NVIDIA tomorrow to see what the market's going to do. So I would anticipate we wouldn't do much tomorrow until we get those earnings out tomorrow, I think after the bell closes. So we've got delta of 48 and theta of 32, 48, 32. 48. Oh, our theta increased a bunch. Yeah, there you go. 32, VIX is at 15, and our buying power is 11.3, 11.4. So we need to put on some trades. What is our average size here? Let's see. Our average size here should be, we should be putting on 1.5 a week. And after 15 weeks, we should have on 22 positions. How many positions do we have on? We have 18 positions on. So need to put a couple of trades on today. A couple of tranches anyway. See if anything tells us that we need to get out of it. Slide, 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 slide. Uh-oh, you see these will come off 4 days ago. So we need to put those in. Closing price 0, closing price 0. And that would have been 4 days ago, would have been 216.24. 216.24. Good. So, hey, why is that? Oh, no. I put that in the wrong place. Let's see. Hold on. 216.24 should be right here. 216.24. There we go. 216.24. Those put debit spreads are closed, and nothing else says that I need to close it. And remember, we're not sliding anymore. So if y'all ignore the slides, we forgot our Muscadine Mafia group, mastermind group decided that we are not sliding anymore. So with that, let's go put on a trade. Let me turn the video off so y'all can see. All right, so here we go. Trade. We'll go to the macros. We said we needed to do 2 tranches. So let's go to 120 days. But here's 122 days. And we go to a 5% probability of being in the money. So that's around in here. Let's do this 41.50s for 18 and a quarter. 2, 3, 4. 4 tranches. And see if we can get filled. And indeed we do. 18 and a quarter. So we did 41.50s, 18 and a quarter. 41.50s, 18 and a quarter. 41.50, 18 and a quarter. There we go. So MES, go ahead and choose that. We did 4 contracts. We'll call this naked put 111, puts naked 122, and 220.24. Good. Now we got that one done. So now we got to do 2 tranches of the put debit spread. So we'll do 2 of those. We'll call this PDS 111. And let's see where those are going to be at. So we got to go to about a 25% probability of being in the money. So around in here, let's put them where we got them before. 69, 4,800, 4750, 4,800, 4750 for 775. Oh, I got to make two of them. Sorry. Two of those. 775. Come on, baby. Working orders. Let's go up a little bit. Cancel, replace. Let's go 785.
What?
Come on, fill me. All right, we'll go up a little bit more. Ain't hurting me. Let's see, 785. Let's go 795. That ought to fill. I said that ought to fill. All right. I see. I see how you doing. I see how you embarrass me in front of my friends. Let's go to 805. Come on, that's got to fill. Jeez Louise, man. I got nothing but time, baby. Let's go again. 820. See if we don't get filled there. Jeez. Where's my liquidity at, y'all? Cancel, replace. 835. Nothing? Wow. Well, hey, I tell you, I don't care. I got all the time in the world. Come on, baby. 850. Ah, all right. Let's see. We got wonky strikes here. No, that looks good. That looks good. Let's go back again. 850 is the net. Come on, give me feel. Almost. All right, let's see. Cancel, replace. You know, I'll wait till tomorrow if I have to. I am in no hurry. Believe this thing. Unbelievable. Hey, shut that dog up, y'all.
They ain't even here.
It says 875 is the net. And that says 66 is the net. Surely that ain't right. There we go. 875. Unbelievable. Or did we get filled at 855? Hold on. We got filled at 855. Good. Okay, so we did the 48, 4750, 4,800, 4750. And their puts, debit spread 122, 220.24. And we said, what was it, 855 we got filled at? Good. Good. All right, so looks good. So we got our trades in. Let's go put them into groups. And then that should do it for the day, y'all. Isn't that good? We're only down $105 on the day. That is wonderful, y'all. I mean, on the day that the market's down like 1%, show groups. And it is T-bill Tuesday, y'all. Don't forget T-bill Tuesday. Al would remind me, I'm sure. Let's put that in the put debit spread. Let's do methods. And put debit spread. And nakeds. And we said we were going to do bill, didn't we? But didn't we say we was going to do bill? That's how much buying power we got left to use. See how much we could do. So we got $13,000 in buying power. So let's see. Now how much we got left over? Let's see. Rates and ratios. Buying power is. All right, so we got about $43,000 in buying power left. So we could buy. Let's see if this is right. We bought 43,000. It's our buying power usage that we got left. We got 43,000 divided by 91 is about what, 472 shares. Let's buy 400. See if we can buy 400. That seems like a lot, y'all. So let's trade bill. So we can buy 400 of them things. Bill. All right. So bid and ask. I'm going to say 400. 400 and not 4,000, 40,000. Unbelievable. Plus 400, wasn't it? There we go. Resulting buying power for stocks. That's going to be too much, isn't it? It says too much there. What if we did 300? There we go. Buying power for stock and options. That leaves me a little bit. Let's send that on. There we go. And then I guess I could put that in. I guess I could put that in my T-bill thing, couldn't I? So I'll say others, futures and others. Huh. Where did it put my bill at? Oh, here we go. So show groups. Let's put bill in my others. We'll put this in T-bills. Move to group T-bills. We need to get rid of that put debit spread. No, not to put debit spread. There we go. T-bills. There we go. Good to go. All right, y'all. Good session today. Hope you have a wonderful day. I will see y'all tomorrow.